All right, we are going to make some roasted Brussels sprouts because Noah here likes Brussels sprouts, right? And I do too. So we got these Brussels sprouts, which are nice. They're from HEB, and they're already washed, trimmed, and ready to eat. So we're going to be using these. And Noah said that he wanted to make them kind of sweet, right? And you suggested using some maple syrup.
Yeah.
Okay.
And soy sauce.
And soy sauce. You want to get out the soy sauce?
Yeah.
We could probably put a little in there. Okay, why don't you get the soy sauce out? We have 2 people watching. So if you're just joining, then I put it in the description. We are making some roasted Brussels sprouts, and we're kind of coming up with our own recipe here. So we're going to see how it turns out. Okay, so we've got our bag of washed and trimmed and ready to eat. So you want to cut that and pour it in the bowl. Okay. All right, so that's probably a good amount for just the 2 of us are going to be eating this, right? How many servings does it say?
Oh, sorry.
4 servings. Okay, so that's a good amount for just us in there. And they look pretty good. I always check and just make sure that everything looks good. There aren't any bad ones in there or anything like that. Okay. All right, so what do you want to do first? Olive oil or syrup?
Let's just start out with the olive oil.
Okay, so we'll start out with, let's try a tablespoon of each first, and we'll kind of see how it goes from there. Okay. All right, you want to just kind of drizzle it around. We'll be mixing it up too, so you can kind of dump it in there. Okay, so we've got that, and we'll do a tablespoon of the syrup. Okay. This is maple syrup. Okay, and pour that in there. So I looked and I found a few different recipes that had a combination of either honey or syrup along with some olive oil, and Noah really likes salty, right, soy sauce. So I think instead of adding salt, we're going to be using some soy sauce instead. Yeah. Okay, so let's think about it. Maybe we do, this is a half a teaspoon. You want me to get the teaspoon out for the, we can use that for the soy sauce? Okay. Teaspoon. So we're going to try a teaspoon of soy sauce. Okay. And we're just using just the regular soy sauce, right? Okay. All right, you want to put that in there? I think we're going to need more soy sauce. What do you think?
Probably. You can always try it.
Okay, so let's do that for now. Mix it up with a spoon, and we'll kind of taste it a little bit to see how it is.
Wait, do you want to show it?
Yeah, can you, let's see. So here's what it looks like, and we're mixing it up. Okay, so if you're just joining, we put in, let's see, we did a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and then a teaspoon of soy sauce, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I think that looks good. What do you think?
Yeah, here, wait. There's a piece right here.
Okay. You gonna try it?
I actually think I may need more maple syrup.
More maple syrup? It's not sweet enough?
Yeah, if you, wait.
Okay.
Maybe something for you to try, like something.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little leaf off of here. That's a good idea. I'm gonna try one of these. I don't know. I think it's good, but you want to add more syrup? You think you want it sweeter or saltier?
Sweeter.
Okay. So maybe another tablespoon? Yeah. We're going to add another tablespoon of maple syrup. So we already had one, so
it's 2
we're going for tablespoon 2 now. Okay. Okay, I'll do that and then you can mix it up. Okay. So hopefully this turns out well. If it does, I'll be posting the recipe. We're kind of making up something as we go along here. And good thing I'm recording it so we can remember all the measurements that we used, right? Okay.
We have 4 people. No, 3.
3 people. Hi, 3 people that are watching right now. Let's see. Okay. You want to show the bowl here? Okay, so this is what it looks like with the, let's see, the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of soy sauce, right?
Alright, you can just get a leaf.
Okay. Yeah, you want to get a leaf and taste it? You taste it. Okay. I think that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add a little pepper though.
Yeah.
So I'm just sprinkling some pepper in here. Okay, well, I'll mix that up a little bit more. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay, so we are going to cook it. I'm gonna start at 400 here. We're just doing in our little oven here. We're gonna try it at 400 for I think about 30 minutes or so. So rather than doing video for the whole 30 minutes while it's cooking, we'll come back in about 30 minutes or so and let you know how it turned out. Okay, see you guys in a little bit.
Bye.
Our roasted Brussels sprouts are just about ready, so I'm going to show you over here. So it's been just about 30 minutes, let's see, 28 minutes. And we're going to pull those out and we're going to taste them, right, and see how they are. So going to get our little pot holder here. Tell everybody what happened to our pot holder.
A certain dog, it starts with an A, and it starts with the letters C. May have done that.
All right, be careful because it's hot. Okay, so here's our roasted Brussels sprouts. I think they look pretty good. I think they look done. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this down a little bit. Let's see, how's that? Okay, I'm going to cut it so we can try it here. Okay, let's cut a big one, make sure it's done. So it's nice and soft when we cut it, but not too soft. So I'll kind of show everybody the inside here. Does that work? Okay, so let's put this over here so we can taste it. Okay, so be real careful when you taste it because it's still gonna be a little hot. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. What do you think?
Probably need salt.
Yeah, I think it could use a little salt. So, because we didn't actually add salt in the recipe, we used soy sauce. So we're gonna, what do you think about a teaspoon of salt?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use some kosher salt here. Okay. All right, we're just gonna spread that around here. Okay. And I think that's good. What do you think? Yeah. Looks good? So I'm gonna lift that up so everybody can see it. Roasted Brussels sprouts. I will be posting the recipe in a little bit online tonight, and then I'll post on Cha-Ching Queen tonight. And then I'll put a link to it on the Facebook page so you guys can see that, or just check Cha-Ching Queen a little bit later. So would you make these again?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a good night and enjoy your dinner if you haven't had dinner yet. Hopefully you're eating something healthy, right? Okay. Bye everyone.
Bye.